Want to refresh your look this autumn? These short styles for women over 60 bring charm, youth, and seasonal elegance. 1. Soft Layered Bob. A chin-length bob with soft, face-framing layers adds movement and lightness. Perfect for fine hair and women seeking a youthful lift. 2. Textured Pixie Cut. A short pixie with choppy layers gives volume and a modern edge. Great for easy maintenance and bold personalities. 3. Side Swept Crop. A sleek crop with a deep side part creates softness around the face. Ideal for enhancing cheekbones and adding elegance. 4. Classic Short Shag. Layers throughout give this short shag airy texture. Works well for thick or wavy hair and adds a carefree vibe. 5. Elegant Tapered Cut. A tapered silhouette frames the face beautifully. Suits women with strong jawlines and complements glasses. 6. Wispy Fringe Bob. A short bob paired with feather-light bangs adds softness. Perfect for brightening the eyes and balancing long faces. 7. Girly Crop. Defined curls in a cropped length offer bounce and personality. Best for naturally curly hair seeking a manageable style. 8. Sleek Rounded Bob. A smooth, rounded shape offers a polished autumn look. Works well for straight hair and refined style preferences. 9. Feathered Pixie. Soft, feathered layers in a pixie cut give lift and movement. Great for thinning hair and a gentle, airy feel. 10. Short Stacked Bob. Stacked layers at the back create volume and structure. Ideal for fine hair needing shape and body. 11. Cropped Cut with Highlights. A short, layered cut enhanced with warm highlights adds depth. Perfect for autumn tones and lively charm. 12. Tousled Pixie Bob. A mix between a bob and a pixie with tousled layers. Best for casual, low-maintenance, autumn styling. 13. Ear-length Classic Cut. Simple, ear-length cut that frames the face neatly. Works for those who prefer timeless, clean lines. 14. Asymmetrical Short Bob. A slightly longer front section adds edge and modernity. Perfect for those wanting to update their classic bob. 15. Soft Wavy Lob Short Version. A shorter lob with gentle waves offers relaxed elegance. Works well for slightly longer short hair lovers. 16. Neat Crop with Side Bangs. A precise short crop with soft side bangs. Great for adding softness to angular features. 17. Layered Short Curl. Short cut with defined curls and layered shaping. Ideal for creating volume without heaviness. 18. Chin Length Cut with Volume Crown. Chin length style with extra lift at the crown. Perfect for elongating the face and adding youthful bounce. 19. Short Cut with Wispy Layers. Wispy ends create softness and movement in a short style. Best for those seeking an airy, light look. 20. Polished Short Bob with Side Part. A smooth, short bob with a deep side part for elegance. Great for formal autumn occasions.